Hi, welcome to Step 2 Maths. Today we are going to discuss about how to form a quadratic equation from its given roots. We know that the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are x is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is equal to alpha, and x is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is equal to beta. Consider these two equations and from that write x is equal to alpha, and from second equation x is equal to beta. X is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta. From these we can write x minus alpha equal to 0 and x minus beta equal to 0. Write two equations. X minus alpha is equal to 0 and x minus beta is equal to 0. Next, multiply these two values. X minus alpha into x minus beta. Take the left hand side part, x minus alpha into x minus beta, that is equal to right hand side is 0. Therefore, x minus alpha into x minus beta. Expand, find the product, that means expand these terms, that is x square minus beta x minus alpha x plus minus alpha into minus beta is plus alpha beta equal to 0. The product of these two terms is x square minus beta x minus alpha x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, we can write it this as x square minus x into alpha plus beta. These two terms, here the x is common, so minus x is take out the bracket and minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in x where its coefficients are coefficient of x square is 1 and coefficient of x is alpha plus beta and constant part is alpha beta. That means we can represent this quadratic equation in x as x square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means sum of the roots. Sum of roots into x plus alpha beta is product of roots. Product of roots equal to 0. From the given roots of a quadratic equation, we form the quadratic equation, that is x square minus sum of roots or addition of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0. Consider one example. Write a quadratic equation in variable x where addition of roots equal to 10 and product of roots is equal to 9. Okay, then how we can form a quadratic equation corresponding that? addition of roots or sum of roots. Sum of roots equal to 10 and product of roots equal to 9. Using this relation, how we can represent it? X square minus sum of roots 10. 10x plus product of roots. Product of roots is equal to 9 equal to 0. Sum of roots equal to 10 and product of roots is equal to 9 are given. Using that information, we write its corresponding quadratic equation as x square minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. That means if the two roots are given, then using that roots we can form a quadratic equation. If sum of roots and product of roots are given, using that we can form its corresponding quadratic equation. Okay, consider another example. What will be the quadratic equation in X, where alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to 5? For that, first find out the value of alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is here alpha 2 and beta 5, that is 2 plus 5 equal to 7, and product of roots alpha beta is equal to 2 into 5 equal to 10. Okay, now we know the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So from the quadratic equation, x square minus sum of roots. Sum of roots is 7, then x plus product of roots. Here product of roots is 10 equal to 0. X square minus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. From the given value of alpha and beta, we form its corresponding quadratic equation. X square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. So we can easily form a quadratic equation using its given roots. The form is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0.